Welcome, everybody. This is Mr. Holmes here, welcoming you to week one of Art 1, quarter 2. I hope you had a nice first quarter back at school and you're getting into the swing of things now. So, I'm going to go through what we're expecting from you in this class. So, as you log into your Schoology, you're going to see week 1, welcome to Art 1. Go ahead and open up that folder. And so, you're already here at Intro to Week 1. You already clicked that. That's the video you're watching right now. Before we get going here, I want to remind you that we have no live meetings with this class. So that means there's no live Zooms. I'm not going to ask you to be here at a certain time every week. It's going to be asynchronous, which means that I'm going to upload videos Monday morning, and you're going to have the whole week to go ahead and complete those. There are going to be videos on the assignments of the week, on the lecture, what we're learning about, and then, of course, on any supplementary assignments and information I want to share with you. So once again, there's no live Zooms. You're not going to have to come in at a certain time. That means for those who are distance learning and those who are doing the hybrid situation, it's the same situation. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about then is if you have any questions, you can email me at mholmes@tuhsd.net. I'll make sure there's a link in this document here in the intro to week 1. So I do these videos every week. This is kind of the intro, get you used to seeing my face a little bit, seeing what's going on. I want to walk us through everything that's expected of us, and then in another video I'll go into a deeper dive of what we're actually doing. So in week 1 we're going to go ahead and do this photography and art Edpuzzle. Hopefully it brings it up. It's kind of first time doing it. Great. So you're going to have to watch this video. This video is going to teach you how to take photographs of your art and submit it to this platform. I get a lot of bad photos of art and it's blurry, or the cropped lines, or just not, the colors are washed out, what have you. And so that Edpuzzle, that video there, is going to be your key to making sure your photos are acceptable and viewable from me, so I can give you good grades on your work you're doing. The project of the week, we're doing a symbolic self-portrait. It's a great project. It gets you to get a little creative. I get to learn a little bit about you, and I get to see who you are as a person and as an artist. So there's 3 assignments that are attached to this. You're going to do who I am first. It's going to look like this. Here we go. Who I am. You have 2 options here. You can go ahead and print this out, or you can just go ahead and create text boxes on this document. I just want writing here, okay? You're not doing any artwork. You're just going to go ahead and type in your name, your hobbies, outside school activities, and all these boxes here. Just to give. This is kind of like a brainstorming thing, figuring out who you are, all right? The next part of the assignment, real briefly, is the symbolic self-portrait categories. Again, I'll go more in depth into this in my second video for you when I go talk about the project. It's going to look like this, and inside each of these boxes, I want a drawing, okay? The last one was only words. This time, I need to see a drawing. So for the symbolic self-plan, draw for me. Lastly, we have our symbolic self-portrait itself, which is going to look a little something like this, or let me see if I can go next, or this, and anything in between, right? So this is a symbolic self-portrait, and I'll go more into depth in that in the next video. Lastly, for those of us who have advisory or on campus, we're going to go ahead and do a special advisory every day we see you, so once a week. Yeah, and that's all I have for you for week 1, everybody. So after you watch this, make sure you catch my second video, which is going to talk more about the project itself. I look forward to meeting you in person, and I look forward to seeing your art and seeing how I can help you grow and evolve as an artist. Thanks, everybody.